Hey everyone, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128. In this video, we're going to be checking out a multifunction Bluetooth speaker. Not only do you get a great design and build quality, but we also find multiple features in one device. Taking a look at the front, we find a nice metal mesh where the speaker is hidden. We also have a little metallic spot that moves. Volume gets pretty loud on this thing, and the whole device starts to vibrate if you really get it going. On the back, we find a bunch of ports. We've also got a physical power switch, which is also really awesome. Next to that, we find a full-size USB port that can even charge your smartphone. We've also got a micro USB port for charging and a micro SD card slot for audio. Included is an all-in-one cable with micro USB on one end and full-size USB and 3.5mm audio on the other end. On the top of the speaker, we find a whole array of buttons. We've got a mode button to switch between Bluetooth, FM, radio, and the SD card port. There's also a rewind, pause play, next track, as well as volume up and down. I like that we have a dedicated button for the volume, as many speakers incorporate that with the next to previous track buttons. When connected via Bluetooth and the audio is paused, there is a pretty loud hiss coming from the speaker, and it is still audible when music is being played. Luckily, it doesn't really affect the audio quality. For the most part, it sounds pretty good with decent highs and mids. While they claim incredible bass, I didn't really notice anything special. It was about average, maybe slightly better than other speakers at times, but nothing incredible. It's still not going to replace a dedicated pair of speakers, but that's really not what it's intended to do. Overall, this is a pretty nice speaker. It has a very unique look, similar to a certain Harman Kardon competitor, but that is a good thing. It takes up minimal space while sounding good. I'm a big fan of the buttons, and it's nice that you can charge your phone with the speaker. As far as pricing goes, it's a little expensive for what they claim is a portable Bluetooth speaker, but if you're looking for something that's going to sit in one place and not move around much, it's not all that bad. If you're looking for something that not only looks good but also sounds great, then this is a really good option. As always, links will be down in the description, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Leave this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I will see you in the next one.